Lady, go!
Well, good morning, y'all. It's me, Bug Out. I've already had a coffee and a cigar. And a couple days ago, we got some pretty heavy hail and some heavy rain. But there's not much left. Green beans are gone. There's not going to be enough to produce. Pretty much the amount that was produced was the amount of the seeds that I put in there. So I may work it. Anyway, I don't have the money to buy all that fancy fertilizer and all that crap. So anyhow, this is poor girl poor girl gardening. Anyhow, this is one of the worst gardens I've ever had in my entire life, and I am 56 years old. And I've had plenty of gardens. I've had gardens that put out so much I couldn't give it away or sell it fast enough. But anyway, so I'm going to cut this bull wire. I'm going to cut it probably about right there. You know what I'm saying, all the way around. We'll make me some steaks with it. And I'm going to pull that compost out. I'm going to spread it down. I'm going to do the same with the tomatoes. I'm going to thin those tomatoes out. Maybe I can save them because they are starting to take off. They're really looking pretty good, actually. Y'all, I had to take a break. Sorry. But anyhow, yeah, I'm out here working early in the morning. Why, it's cool. It's going to be like 106 today. 100, 157. I don't know, like some manufactured number. Anyhow, it's going to be hot. Well, good morning, y'all. We're on day 2. Garden transfer of the massive tomatoes that are all planted in the same spot. That I probably should have known better than to do that. Yesterday, the tomato plants that I transplanted wilted. I thought they were going to be dead. This morning, I thought they were still going to be laid over on their side. They were literally laid over on their sides. That's how much in shock it was for them. I tell you what. Anyway, come out here this morning, and they're standing up. I added a couple little sticks around the bases of them to help them stand up even more until they kind of get to where they need to be. But you know what? I think I'm going to buy some sardines in water with my food stamps tomorrow. And I'm going to grind them all up and make a slurry. And I think I'm going to pour that as a fertilizer on my garden, see what happens. Hold on. Had to get the mosquito repellent going. I've got